so tired. I want to go back to sleep. Okay, I need to get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna do it. Step 1. Step number 2. Okay, so step 3. I'm gonna put this on. Let's go ahead and get some breakfast. Morning, Michi. Hi, Mimi. Alright guys, so I finished with breakfast and I have to start getting ready because Linda's gonna come soon. We're gonna go to the mall. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. I need to hurry up. I literally have no idea what I'm going to wear. I'm thinking maybe some leggings and like a cute top, but I don't know. Makeup time. Linda texted me like 2 minutes ago saying that she's on her way and I'm not ready yet. I still need to finish my makeup, do my hair, and finish putting my outfit together, like my shoes, my purse, all that stuff. So I need to hurry up. Makeup is done. I basically just do foundation, then I do powder and a lipstick. So this is it. Let's go, let's go. Alright guys, so this is my outfit of the day. Everything is literally from Roth, except for my shoes. They're from Adidas, but everything else, my purse, my shirt, and my legging pants, they're from Roth. I recommend wearing leggings and like a loose shirt if you're gonna eat. Did they go here like? Store number 1. Check. Done. We did a little bit of damage, not too much.
Just slightly. Just slightly. It's all good. We're still
starting. Alright guys, so we just got out of H&M. We also hit up Victoria's Secret and Pink, and we're on our way to eat Cheesecake Factory. It's our first time trying it, so we're hoping that it's good. I've heard such good things about it.
Same.
So hopefully it's good. I'll show you guys what we get when we're there. So
that's bad.
yeah, it smells like garbage right now. No, it's probably coming from outside.
Auxilio, it smells like rotten. No, don't do that. That's worse.
Oh my god, it smells so bad.
It smells like rotten eggs or something.
Rotten eggs. My goodness, I don't know what that is.
Ay, qué asco. Ah, qué asco. Green light. Let's go. Party.
Yes. We're advancing. Hey Linda.
Hello.
What time is it?
Not summertime. It's running time.
It's our vacation. What time is it? Time of our lives. That's right. Sing right. I don't know. It's haul time. So the first store that I went to was Victoria's Secret, and they were having a semi-annual sale. So they were having a bunch of stuff on sale. They were having perfume, cream, lipsticks, just basically everything was on sale, even bras, panties, all that stuff. So you should go to Victoria's Secret right now. They're having a sale. So the first two things that I picked up at Victoria's Secret are two lipsticks. I got the shade Perfection. It looks like this. It's a nice creamy matte rose pink, kind of like a neutral color. It's really nice. I really like it. The next color I got is called Knockout. It's a nice red. It's like really intense, but I really like colors like this, and especially if it's matte. I have another lipstick that I got from Victoria's Secret, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is my favorite lipstick, so I really wanted to pick some more matte lipsticks up from Victoria's Secret. So I was really excited when they were having this sale. So yeah, those are the two lipsticks. The next thing I picked up was this sparkly scrunchie. If you know me, you know that I love sparkles, and I feel like this is just gonna take my hair to the next level. So like even with this makes my ponytail look 10 times better. I also picked up a bra, but obviously I'm not gonna show that. They were having really good sales. I got this one for $9. The next store that we went to was Pink. I got this coconut oil, which it's like a hair treatment, so that's what my mom and I started using like a couple of months ago, and we love it. It smells so good. I'm so excited for that. This was $3.99, so $4. The next thing I got from there, they were having a really good sale on underwear. It was $4, so oh my god, that's amazing. And they have really good quality underwear too, so I got that. Obviously I'm not gonna show that either. The next store that we went to was H&M. So at H&M I just got one thing. I got some jeans, and these jeans, they're a nice green color, and it's like a very subtle green, and I don't have any jeans like this, which is really nice. They're high-waisted as well, which is always a plus. I can only wear high-waisted pants now. Like I can't wear low-rise anymore. It's like I just love high-waisted too much. And these were $9, so $8.99, $9, which is a really good deal. I think the whole mall was having a semi-annual sale. They're probably just trying to get rid of like all of the clothes that they have right now and trying to bring new stuff in. I stained my pants. Hopefully I can get that out. Finally, the last store that we went to was New York and Company, and at New York and Company they were having sales too, which I always go to the 80% off section, and I got these sunglasses. They're super cute, like rounded sunglasses, and I have wanted a pair of sunglasses for a really long time. I haven't found a good one, and I picked these up. So I picked these up for $2.59, and originally they were $12.94, and I think that is insane. Everything was on sale, guys. This is when you have to go shopping, when there's on sales. Don't go when it's like regular prices, because you will lose money. But when there's sales, you gotta take advantage of it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the post notifications. I'll see you guys next time.